Trust me. Today is a Thursday, but I'm sure gonna eat like it's a Sunday. I could teach you how to make some really savory green beans. Really quick and drama-free. Hey guys, thanks so much for clicking on the video. Listen, like I said, some savory green beans. They taste like a Sunday meals green beans, but with not even half the work. Not even half the work. Drama-free. Okay, so listen, this is all you need. 4 cans. Yes, I said cans. 4 cans of string beans. Okay? Now, first things first. You're going to take them string beans and you're going to definitely wash them. Wash them. Take them. You're going to, and I say wash, rinse. You're really going to rinse them. Pour all of that liquid that's in the cans off and rinse them. Put them in a strainer and rinse them. Rinse them very, very well. Okay? Get rid of all that because you're going to create your own juice. So you don't need nobody else's juice. You're going to create your own. You need some chicken broth. You're going to put that chicken broth into a pot. I got a piece of ham that's left over from a ham that I actually had baked already. So you're going to slice it up and put that on in there. If not, if you don't have that, you could buy a ham shank from the store and you could do it with that. Or you could actually take and you can use neck bones if you want. You can use turkey necks if you want. Whatever meat that you're going to use, and you will be needing some type of a meat. Put the meat into the chicken broth, okay? Sage, red crushed pepper seeds, Lowry seasoned salt, a bit of basil, black pepper, jalapeno pepper juice. We're not going to use the peppers, but if you're really feeling yourself, you can use the peppers too. But just the juice. I'm just going to use the juice. That's it. I wanted to do something a little different that I don't usually do. I'm going to spice it up a little bit and use some okra. So get you a half a bag of frozen okra. Let's go. We're going to run through this real quick. Okay, you guys, listen, I'm trying something new here. I'm doing okra and green beans. That is actually ham. This is chicken broth that I actually started with. And I put some sage. I put some Lowry seasoned salt. That was actually ham that I had left over from an actual ham that I actually had made. So those were slices of ham that I actually put in there. And it's actually frozen okra that I actually put in. So I'm actually doing my okra first. I'm going to cook it down some. And yeah, and then I'm going to add my green beans to it later. Just trying something. Listen, I'm always trying something. All right, now I got a good old boil going on here, so I done added a stick of butter. And yeah, just letting it do its thing. And I've also added some jalapeno pepper juice to the water to give it a little bite. And I'm going to cover it up and just let it do its thing. Yeah, buddy. They are done. And as you can see, the okra has actually cooked itself up into the string beans, which I knew would actually happen. It was cute to look at it. As it was cooking, you could actually see them separated within. But yeah, they cooked all the way up just like I thought they would. And it's good. You see the ham and the beans and the yeah, buddy. Baby, look at here. I told you to trust me. Look at that. Now, if that don't look like a Sunday bowl of green. Quit playing with me. Don't play with me. And it's hot. Get into that. Them green beans. Quit playing. And the okra's up in there too. Quit playing with me. Tastes like a Sunday. Tastes like a Sunday. But today is definitely a Thursday. But it sure tastes like a Sunday. Now you could take and pair yours up with whatever meat that you want. Go fry you some pork chops or bake you some pork chops. Whatever you want. Fry you some chicken. Bake you some chicken. It's all up to you. Yes, God. Just spicy enough. Ain't nothing like eating a Sunday dish on a Thursday. If you didn't tell anybody, they would not know that you were eating green beans out of a can. Getting to it. The Spiller Boy TV way. Baby, I told you to trust me. I'm out of here. I'm going to go finish my beans, y'all. See you next time.